If your I-751 removal of conditions is denied, you are going to be put into removal proceedings. So these are the 5 things you need to remember when you are a conditional resident. Number 1, timely file the I-751, which is to remove the conditions. Generally, that can be filed 90 days prior to the expiration up until the date of the expiration. 2, you can file, if you get divorced prior to that, you can file immediately after the divorce. You don't have to wait the 90 days prior to the expiration of the 2 years. 3, if you have any grounds of abuse, like for example, you're subject to domestic violence, but you possibly are in the middle of being separated, you can definitely check that you are subject to abuse and produce those records. The point I want to make is that all the grounds for which you're seeking to remove your conditions, make sure you check those, because if you are put into removal proceedings, the government is going to prosecute you, and the judge is going to look at all the grounds that you put in the I-751 petition. If you've only put one ground and you didn't put the abuse, it's very difficult to then proceed on with that grounds. And you should always check extreme hardship, which is a catch-all. Number 4, if you do not file timely and there's a justification for why you didn't file timely, for example, medical emergencies, really bad, severe financial hardship, problems with your family, you can submit it late, and you can submit the justification and ask the USCIS to adjudicate it even though it is late. Number 5, if you get put into removal proceedings, you can definitely seek to obtain your residency. Just because you put into removal proceedings does not mean you are not a resident. You're actually still a resident until the judge takes your green card away. And when you're in removal proceedings, you can fight to have your I-751 approved. You can seek any other grounds of relief that you might have, for example, readjustment, cancellation of removal. Like, share, and follow, including VAWA cancellation of removal, which I'm Gloria Cardenas with decades of experience. Like and follow.